Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, in this presentation, Zuhria Nafisa and I will present about invitation text writing lesson plan. Let's begin with the main aim. The main aim here is students are able to express the meaning and simply write short invitation text. The objectives are: first, students will be able to identify the information of short functional text in invitation form. Second, students are able to respond the information of short functional text in invitation form. The third, students are able to write a short functional text in invitation form well. This lesson plan is aimed for 8th grade of junior high school, and this lesson takes 2 multiple 40 minutes or 80 minutes. The possible challenge that will appear are: first, students are not interesting to the topic, so that they are not focusing to the explanation. Second, students who lack of vocabulary will find difficulties in understanding the meaning and might make some typographical error in the process of writing. And then the solution are: first, teacher provides the authentic invitation letter so that will interest students. Second, teacher allows students to open dictionary so students will know how to write the word correctly. And here is the activities. The first stage take 5 minutes. The first stage is topic introduction. The procedure are brainstorming students' knowledge about the invitation text. Brainstorming here is like asking students about whether they know the invitation text or not, or what they know about the invitation text. And then introduce students to the vocabulary might often appear in invitation text. The aim are to early engage students into new material and then to warm up students. The second stage is pre-writing that takes the next 10 minutes. The procedure are display one of the large copies invitation slide, explain about invitation text specifically, and allow the students to ask any question before moving on to the next activities. This stage is aimed to give students clear understanding about the material. And the next explanation will be explained by Zuhria Nafisa. Thank you.
The next stage is while writing activity. It takes 15 minutes, and the procedure are: students asked to write a simple birthday invitation and give it to friend next to them. So, students asked to read their friend's invitation letter and find any typographical error. The aim of it are to practice functional text writing and also to check students' knowledge about the correct typography. So the next stage is feedback activity. It takes 15 minutes. The procedure are: students asked to write the typographical error they found in the whiteboard. So teacher led students to correct the typographical error. The aim are to check students' accuracy writing typography and also to check students' knowledge about the vocabulary. So the next stage is while reading activity. It takes 20 minutes, and the procedure are: teacher show some different invitation letter, such as wedding invitation, meeting invitation, and New Year party invitation. So teacher divide students into pairs and give them some different invitation letter. So students asked to discuss about their invitation letter and answer this question. The first question is: who created the invitation? So the second question is: where and when does the event take place? So the third question is: what kind of event is this invitation for? So the aim of it are to point out the different parts of the invitation letter. So, to develop students' ability in differentiate invitation letter. And to develop students' ability to analyze invitation letter and make students more critical. So the last stage is post-writing activity. It takes 15 minutes. The procedure are teacher correcting students' answer. So teacher asks students randomly some question about invitation letter. The aim of it are to increase students' understanding about the material and evaluating if there is a mistake. So to check students' understanding of the material. Okay, maybe enough here our presentation.